The BenQ CP05 Corporate Interactive Display multi-window feature lets you open and use multiple apps at the same time. In this video, we'll show you how to set it up and how to make the most out of it. Whenever I have an app open, all I need to do is open the sidebar menu and tap multi-window. This will put the app in a smaller screen that I can put wherever I want on my board. You can repeat this process to open up to 6 apps simultaneously, ideal for comparing documents or referencing data during your meeting. The size and position of each window is adjustable. If I touch and hold that bar on the bottom, I can move my window around. I can adjust the size by tapping the option here, small, medium, or full screen if I like. I can also tap the pin, and that will make sure that my window stays on top of any other window that might be open. For faster organization, I can make use of the various presets. Here with Easy Right, I can open in the left or right side of the screen. Tapping that option, you'll see I can fill 1/3, 1/2, or 2/3 of the space. Let's put it in 1/2 of the space on that side. I can also snap a window into place. I'll simply grab the bar, drag it over, and you'll see a blue box open up. I let it go, and it snaps into space. Multi-window makes it easy to keep presentations, dashboards, video calls, and notes visible at the same time, helping meetings run more smoothly and keeping collaboration efficient and focused. If you want to learn more about the BenQ CP05, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.